So what we have here is the Infinity Braid on Locs, y'all. Okay, now this particular braid is not a braid normally done with Locs. However, I decided to try this braid on Locs, and as you can see, it turned out very nice. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I did this Infinity Braid. And yeah, it kind of looks like the fishtail braid, but it's a little different. It's not the fishtail braid. So let's go ahead and get into how I did this Infinity Braid. So to start your Infinity Braid, first things first, I have 6 crisscross braids at the front, okay? And I'm just gonna take one of the sections from my crisscross braid, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do this. Go ahead and grab a section of hair. We're gonna split it down and create 2 separate sections, all right? And what we're basically gonna be doing is a figure 8, okay? So I'm gonna take a lock from the left side. All right, I'm gonna bring it up and over the right side, under it, and I'm gonna bring it up and over the left section of hair, under it, okay? Then I'm gonna bring it up and over the right side, under, up and over the left side, under. See, a figure 8, and we're gonna continue this. You can move it up like this to make it tighter, and continue that stitch up and over the left side, under, up and over the right side, under, up and over the left side, under, sorry, I had touched the camera, up, under, up and over the right side, okay? And we're just gonna continue that figure 8, okay? And now what we're gonna go ahead and do, see there's still a little bit of hair here, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch locks. So to do that, I'm gonna bring it over, under. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a lock from the right side, just like that, and bring it over and under that left side. And once I get under, I'm going to go ahead and continue with the longer lock. Okay, see, this is the shorter one here. I'm going to continue with the longer lock, and I'm just going to hold that shorter lock here on the left side. I'm just going to continue the stitch. All right, hold that shorter lock. The same thing, okay? Go like that to make it tighter, and continue the stitch up and over in our figure 8, okay? Hope you guys can see what I'm doing here. All right, and we just go like that to make it tighter. Continue. See? Right. Just the figure 8. Let me zoom out a little so you guys can see. Figure 8. And as you can see, that lock has gotten shorter. So what I'm going to do is bring it under. I'm going to grab a lock from the right side. All right, bring it up. And once I get around the back, I'm going to let that short piece, I'm going to let this short piece here stay on the right side. I'm going to continue with the longer piece. Okay. And continue with my figure 8. Sorry for the angle of my camera. Continue with my figure 8. This is a very easy braid to do, as you can see. All right, it's not a lot to it. And then you just continue down the length of the braid. So I continued my figure 8 all the way down until I decided to stop. There's still a couple of locks here, still some length. For this particular style, I'm not going all the way down to the end, but you can definitely continue this stitch all the way down to the end if you like. But I'm stopping here. And this is the lock that I was using to create it. So I'm just gonna hold it down like that. I'm gonna go ahead and take a black rubber band, okay? And I'm just gonna put it right there where I wanna stop, okay? Right there, it really doesn't have to be tight, just so it can hold. And there you go, the Infinity Braid. See?